For this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Oviss ProS VMS software. And to get started with that, we will open up a web browser here, and we'll go to ovisscctv.com, OVISSCCTV.com. And once you arrive at the website, you hover over support here, and you can see downloads. Click on that, and you'll see ProS NVR for 32-bit systems and 64-bit systems. In most cases, you'll be downloading the 64-bit. The 32-bit is for specific, much older computers, but most systems are 64-bit now. So I'll click on that, and it should get a link going. If it doesn't, right click and do save link as. You'll see a message come up here. We're going to put it in our downloads folder and leave the file name. If it says can't be downloaded securely, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the arrow here, and we're going to say keep it, and then it'll download here for us. And you can click on it here, or you can go to your downloads folder and you should see the software. I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. Now it says Windows Defender is preventing you from running an unrecognized app. So you go click on more info, and then you can run it anyway. The code is unsigned, but that's okay. This isn't malicious code. If you get it from our website, this is an excellent piece of software here. Just click next a couple times. We're going to install it on the C drive. So it's going to extract the files and install them to your machine. When it says it's done, go ahead and click finish, and then go to your start menu and scroll down. You should have Oviss ProS VMS, and that's the software there. Or on your desktop, you should have an icon now, and you can double click on either one of those. It's going to ask you for access past your firewall, and you're going to need this in order to look at cameras remotely. So I'll go ahead and allow access. From here, you're going to go to the first tab, Control Panel, and we'll continue from there in the next video. Alrighty, have a good day.